For the light and crumbly texture, we will start by creaming the softened butter and icing sugar together. When they are well incorporated, we can start mixing using the mixer at medium speed until pale and fluffy. Now add in the egg yolk, vanilla extract, and double cream. And mix again. When it's done, your mixture should look something like this: light, pale, and airy. For the dry components, sieve in flour, corn flour, and salt. Gently fold them in using a silicone spatula until well combined. I prefer mixing the dough by hand to avoid overmixing, which helps preserve the signature delicate, crumbly texture that makes these Viennese Whirl Biscuits so irresistible. Keep repeating 2 gentle motions, folding and pressing, until the mixture becomes together. When the dough is ready, the texture is slightly stiff but still spreadable, just like this. Let's load up the piping bag, then secure it with an icing bag tie. This tiny tool is great for keeping the dough from coming out to the top when piping. For a more uniform size and shape, I have prepared a template and placed it under the parchment paper. And I will show you how I follow the lines to pipe the biscuits in a second. Feel free to click the link in the description box below to download the template. Now let's prepare the pan. First, spray it with cake release spray. Then place the template on the pan and spray it again to secure the parchment paper. Cut a hole in the bag containing the cookie dough, then place the 1mm open star piping tip in a separate piping bag and cut a hole at the top of that bag as well. I use 2 piping bags here because it's easier to control the dough and change the piping tip if needed. Apply gentle pressure to the bag and guide the tip in a zigzag motion. Follow the lines. Then release the pressure and gradually lift up the bag as you finish. Use a finger to gently press down the end. Continue piping as many biscuits as you want. Don't worry if they are close to each other at this stage. As long as they don't touch, they will be fine. We will reposition them after they have been frozen. Place the piped biscuits in the freezer for about 90 minutes or until they are firm. This prevents them from spreading during baking. As it gets close to the end of the 90 minutes, preheat the oven to 170 degrees Celsius to make sure the oven is nice and hot for the biscuits. After 90 minutes, the cookies should be firm. If not, continue freezing them until they are firm. Remove the templates and adjust their positions slightly if they seem too close to each other. Bake the frozen biscuits in the preheated oven for about 14 to 16 minutes or until the edges turn slightly golden brown. Let them sit on the baking pan for about 10 minutes before transferring them onto the wire rack to cool completely. While they are cooling, melt some chocolate. Place the chopped chocolates into a heat-proof bowl and set the bowl over a saucepan with gentle simmering water. Pour the melted chocolate into a jug or a glass with a wide mouth for easy dipping. To avoid a mess, lay a sheet of parchment paper on a flat surface. Dip the cooled biscuits into the warm chocolate. Drip off the excess and lay it flat on the parchment paper to set. Experiment with dipping the biscuits in different ways and let's get creative. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. It would be greatly appreciated if you consider subscribing to my channel for more tasty recipes. If you made these delicious biscuits, let me know how they turn out in the comments below. Alright, thanks so much for watching and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!